In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a repeat grid in Adobe XD. This powerful feature is a game changer for anyone involved in designing user interfaces or layout compositions, as it allows you to quickly and easily replicate a set of objects or groups. Whether you're working on image thumbnails, captions, or any other repeating design elements, this tool is essential for saving time and ensuring consistency across your projects. To get started, first, you'll need to design the object or group that you want to repeat. This could be anything from an image thumbnail with a caption beneath it to a more complex set of items. Once you have your design ready, make sure to select the entire object or group in Adobe XD. With this component selected, we're ready to activate the magic of Repeat Grid. Now, take a look at the property inspector on your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Repeat Grid. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+R on Windows or CMD+R on a Mac to enable this feature quickly. Once you've done this, you'll notice some special handles appear on the right and bottom edges of your group. These handles are the key to duplicating your design. To create a horizontally repeating grid, drag the handle on the right. Want your design to repeat vertically instead? Use the bottom handle. You can even drag both handles to create a comprehensive grid that extends in all directions. Play around with the size of your grid by dragging these handles until it fits your desired layout. Next, let's discuss spacing. The gaps between your repeated items, known as padding, can easily be adjusted. Simply hover your cursor between two cells until you see a double arrow icon, then drag to increase or decrease the gap. This helps in maintaining an orderly and spaced-out appearance in your grid. Now, you might be wondering how to fill each thumbnail with unique content. It's incredibly straightforward. To replace images, drag a set of image files directly from your computer onto one of the grid items. Adobe XD will automatically fill each cell with the subsequent images from your selection. The same process applies for text. Drag a text file filled with lines of text onto a text element in the grid, and each cell will populate with different lines from your file. If you need to edit just one of the cells, you can do so without affecting the rest of the grid. Simply double-click inside the cell or use Ctrl or CMD click to enter. Make your changes and then press ESC to exit edit mode. The best part is style consistency will remain across all items, ensuring a uniform look. Finally, once you've finalized your grid, you may want to break it back into separate objects. This can be useful if you need to treat each item independently for further customization. To do this, select your grid and click Ungroup Grid in the Property Inspector. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized a repeat grid in Adobe XD, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your design process.